I mean, it's unfortunate for them to convict me for, number one, an offense that I never committed. Number two, I never owned this particular Twitter account they are referring to. I have a Twitter account which I use, which I have directed them to, but they still go on to charge me for a case that appears on a Twitter account that I have. So it's very unfortunate. I'm a political leader, I lead a political party, and for them to say, to appear as if it's a criminal offense for me to be a political leader. Because even when the state was leading its evidence in cross-examination, they were suggesting that it's a criminal offense for me to be a political leader and for me to ask the public to speak out and stand out against corruption, which is completely false and unreal. It's unfounded. It's malicious, in fact. It's actually criminal for the state to suggest that it's a criminal offense for me to be a political leader.
A message to your supporters?
It's a luta continua. The honest truth is that this is what we've been preparing for all this time. And we know that there's no way we can achieve victory in this country. The injustice that occurs in this country is so big and so huge that people have to pay a price. People like me and many others have to pay a price to make sure that we level the electoral playing field and we level everything in this country. So I want to say to our supporters, hold on, our resolve remains unshakable, and we are determined to do the right thing as long as what we are doing is in the confines of the law of Zimbabwe. The Constitution of Zimbabwe provides for everything we are doing, and we are not going back on that. No matter what, even if we go to prison, we will never relent on what we believe. Our convictions are strong, and we will continue pushing until we get there.